guys, welcome back to our AOS Edu session. This is number 8. We're going to go through a very common question that we get, and what we teach everyone is on how to maintain and properly wash your BCD. Alright, so we've had a beautiful dive over the weekend. Our gear is still a little bit wet, so you can see salt crystals starting to sort of form through here. And if we don't wash our gear out properly, basically it's going to not last as long as we want it to. So it's very, very simple to wash, and I'll just show you one of the techniques. Now we've got a tub here, we've filled it with fresh water. We do have some of this product that we put in. So this wetsuit dry suit shampoo, there's many varying brands which basically do the same thing, but the reason why you want to use one of the products that is specifically designed, sounds a little bit silly, but it's got the right pH balance to be able to get rid of all the extra bits in the ocean water and in the pool water, and help re-moisturize all your equipment as well. So if you can use a proper product, it's a really, really good thing to do. All right, so really simply, we've got a nice tub of water. Now if you don't have one of these, because obviously not everyone's going to have a nice purpose-built tub to wash all their gear, bathtubs work really well, or even if you've got a basic tub, like a 50-litre one that you use to carry all your gear around, that helps as well. Or hosing it down, it's just not nearly as effective as doing it this way. So we just want to give it a nice rinse around, give it a nice sort of rub to rub off any of the salt that you can see. Now, when we dive, when we deflate and we have no air in our BCD, what it does is basically lets water in. So if you've ever come from a dive and pulled your rear dump valve and it was like you were peeing, it is because all the water has just pulled in from the ocean. All right, so if I do that, we've cleaned this out properly. But what we want to do is rinse the inside of our bladder. So if we can get a hose, what we're going to do is we're going to inject some fresh water into it. So pushing down the deflate button basically opens up the mechanism. I'm just going to put my hose there. That's going to let water in. Alright, till we get a sufficient amount. And occasionally, so like once a month or something like that, you want to actually pop a bit of this product in, and that kills all the basically the bacteria and micronutrients that the ocean water has in it. So there's stuff that's not growing on the inside of your BCD. Now that I've got water in there, just pop a couple of breaths. Takes the bladder away from itself, and we're just going to swish that around. So I can hear and feel that water swishing around on the inside of the bladder. So it's basically washing that inside through. From there, we can just drain it out. Alright, so we'll give it another couple of breaths. Give it another drain. Lovely. So what we've done essentially is we've washed the outside and the inside of the BCD. Then what you want to do, hang her up on your hanger. Always leave a breath or two in there so that the inside of the bladder doesn't stick together. And you're going to have your BCD for years and years and years. Look after it and it will serve you well. Awesome guys, I hope that helped for those of you who want to maintain your gear properly. Make sure you like, comment and share down the bottom, and we'll see you all soon.